So a dipole is a structure which basically consists of very tiny charged particles which are having equal but opposite charge on them, and they are separated by a very small distance. So generally we will take the case of molecular dipoles or atomic dipoles. ओके तो आपका जो चार्ज का जो सेपरेशन है जो यहाँ पे 2a दिखा रखा है डायग्राम के अंदर, बेसिकली दैट विल बी इन micrometers or maybe in angstroms. Is that clear? Now there is a term associated with it which quantifies the dipole moment, which is defined as charge on any particle multiplied by its distance d, distance between the two charges. उसको हम dipole length भी बोलते हैं. D is also known as dipole length. Now the direction of dipole moment is from a negative charge to the positive charge. ठीक है, तो इस केस में आपका डाइपोल मोमेंट टुवर्ड्स राइट है और उसका मैग्नीट्यूड क्या है 2qa. इज दिस क्लियर नाउ? So in this case you have a uniform electric field, okay, in the entire region in which this dipole is kept. Minus q plus q charges are there. The distance between the two charges is, let's say, 2a or 2d. Just try to understand. So you already have a dipole which is at an angle theta. Okay, now if you wish to displace it slightly by an angle d theta, okay, तो अभी ये टॉर्क किस डायरेक्शन में एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा है? It is experiencing torque in this direction, and if you don't want it to accelerate, you want this to, so this is the torque due to the conservative forces. So if you don't want this to accelerate, the agent has to apply torque of equal magnitude. The agent, external agent, will apply equal magnitude torque in the opposite sense so that it displaces angularly slightly, but it does not accelerate. Its change in kinetic energy is always zero. Is that clear? Now how do you calculate that work done by the agent? Because whatever is the work done by the external agent is the energy stored as a potential energy of the system. Is that clear? ठीक है, this is what the concept is. तो एजेंट कितना टॉर्क एक्सर्ट कर रहा है? एजेंट टॉर्क एक्सर्ट कर रहा है पी ई साइन थीटा. यस और नो? एजेंट कितना वर्क कर रहा है? पी ई साइन थीटा. ठीक है, दिस इज ओनली द मैग्नीट्यूड एंड दिस इज लेट्स से गेटिंग डिस्प्लेस्ड बाय फर्दर एंगल ऑफ डी थीटा. इसका जो नया पोजीशन है वो अब ऐसा हो गया, लेट अस से, and this angle is d theta. So your torque is also acting anti-clockwise. Your displacement is also anti-clockwise, d theta. Yes or no? तो आपने क्या किया, टॉर्क और डिस्प्लेसमेंट दोनों सेम सेंस में है एजेंट के. So that is why you will call this work done dw for the elemental this thing as P agent d theta. Is it clear? Both are in the same sense. Now if you integrate this work done is same as the change in the internal energy of the system. Is that clear? Work done by the agent is the same as the energy stored in the system. सबको समझ में आ रही है बात? तो अगर मैं इस चीज को कैलकुलेट करूंगा विथ प्रॉपर लिमिट्स, तो आई विल गेट a change in potential energy. Okay, if I integrate this, this is going to give me what? Potential energy of the system. Okay, change in potential energy of the system, that will be equal to PE sin theta d theta with integration, right? Now in this case I have to choose one datum, that is a reference of the angle with respect to which I can assume or I can find the potential energy. The way we were doing for the potential energy of a body in terms of gravitation, we generally used to take the Earth's surface as the datum or the reference line, and we used to consider the potential energy at the Earth's surface as 0. Is that clear? So similarly हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं? We are considering this location, this configuration as the configuration of, if this is 0, this angle theta is 90 degree, right? तो यहाँ पे theta 90 degree है. So when theta is 90 degree, we are assuming potential energy is 0. Okay, and your dipole is in this sense. Okay, now if your dipole is, let's say, in this direction, okay, that means negative charges here and positive charges here, your dipole moment will be in this direction. Is that clear? Now as you are going towards this orientation from 90 to 0 degree, this is known as 0 degree. Okay, the angle is 0 degree. Electric field और इसके बीच में angle कितना है? 0 degree है. In the other case, यहाँ पे आपका potential energy भी minimum आएगा. ठीक है, we will see how it will come minimum, but ये minimum आएगा. अब अगर यही चीज मैं इस सेंस में रखूँ, my dipole is in the opposite sense, let us say here, anti-parallel to electric field. In that case, my theta will be 180 degree and my potential energy will be maximum. हाँ बोलो बेटा, किसको डाउट है? हेलो अनन्या, कुछ कहना चाहते हो बेटा?
नहीं सर.
आपका माइक ऑन था, मुझे लगा कुछ बोलना चाह रहे हो.